In today's fast-paced world, many of us struggle with nagging health issues. Fatigue, digestive troubles, and lackluster skin are just the tip of the iceberg. We search for solutions, often turning to synthetic remedies that may bring temporary relief but fail to address the root cause. What if nature holds the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you? Enter Okra juice, a powerhouse of nutrients that has quietly emerged as a potential natural solution for a myriad of health concerns. Okra, a staple in many cuisines, is often overlooked for its incredible health benefits. This humble vegetable, when juiced, transforms into a potent elixir bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This unassuming drink holds the power to revitalize your body from the inside out, addressing common health issues and boosting your overall well-being. Imagine a natural remedy that can combat fatigue, improve digestion, and enhance your skin's natural glow. Okra juice offers precisely that. Its rich nutritional profile works synergistically to support various bodily functions, making it a valuable addition to any health-conscious individual's diet. Join us as we delve into the world of okra juice, exploring its remarkable health benefits and understanding why it deserves a place in your daily routine. Prepare to be amazed by the transformative power of this natural elixir. Okra juice is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens your immune system and protects your cells from damage. This vitamin is also crucial for collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Furthermore, okra juice is rich in vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. It also contains folate, essential for cell growth and development, making it particularly beneficial for pregnant women. This nutrient-rich juice also boasts a good amount of magnesium, which aids in muscle and nerve function, and potassium, crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. But the nutritional benefits of okra juice don't stop there. It's also a good source of fiber, which promotes digestive health and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. This fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to the diet of individuals managing diabetes. The unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and fiber makes okra juice a nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating this juice into your diet can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. If you're plagued by digestive issues, okra juice might be your new best friend. Its high fiber content acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and promoting regularity. This fiber also adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Okra juice also contains a unique type of soluble fiber called mucilage. This slippery substance coats the lining of your digestive tract, soothing irritation and reducing inflammation. It also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut and promoting a healthy microbiome. Studies have shown that okra juice can help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, a common digestive disorder characterized by abdominal pain, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. The juice's anti-inflammatory properties and ability to regulate bowel movements contribute to its effectiveness in managing IBS symptoms. By promoting regularity, soothing inflammation, and nurturing your gut microbiome, okra juice can significantly improve your digestive health and provide relief from common digestive discomforts. Feeling sluggish and drained? Okra juice might be the natural energy boost you've been searching for. Its rich nutrient profile provides your body with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to function optimally. The B vitamins in okra juice play a crucial role in converting food into energy, combating fatigue, and boosting your stamina. Additionally, the magnesium content aids in muscle function, preventing cramps and fatigue during physical activity. Moreover, okra juice is a good source of electrolytes, including potassium and magnesium, which are lost through sweat. Replenishing these electrolytes is crucial for maintaining hydration and preventing fatigue, especially after exercise or during hot weather. By providing your body with essential nutrients, promoting muscle function, and replenishing electrolytes, okra juice can help you power through your day with sustained energy and vitality. Dream of radiant, youthful skin? Okra juice can help you achieve that dream. Its high vitamin C content is a game changer for your skin. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals, protecting your skin from environmental damage and premature aging. This essential vitamin also plays a vital role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to your skin, keeping it firm and wrinkle-free. By boosting collagen production, okra juice helps maintain your skin's youthful appearance and prevent sagging. Furthermore, the antioxidants in okra juice help reduce inflammation and redness, promoting a clearer, more even skin tone. These antioxidants also protect your skin from sun damage, preventing dark spots and hyperpigmentation. By fighting free radicals, boosting collagen production, reducing inflammation, and protecting against sun damage, okra juice can help you achieve healthy, radiant skin that glows from within. The benefits of okra juice aren't just theoretical. Countless individuals have experienced its transformative power firsthand. Sarah, a 35-year-old who struggled with chronic fatigue, noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels after incorporating okra juice into her daily routine. She reported feeling more alert and productive throughout the day. John, a 42-year-old suffering from digestive issues, found relief from his persistent bloating and constipation after regularly consuming okra juice. He was amazed by how this simple drink could effectively address his digestive discomfort. Similarly, Maria, a 50-year-old concerned about her aging skin, noticed a visible improvement in her skin's texture and radiance after incorporating okra juice into her diet. Her fine lines appeared reduced, and her skin had a healthy, youthful glow. These real-life examples highlight the tangible benefits of okra juice. Its ability to address various health concerns and improve overall well-being makes it a valuable addition to any health-conscious individual's lifestyle. Okra juice is more than just a trendy health drink. It's a natural elixir that can revolutionize your health and well-being. Its impressive nutritional profile, combined with its scientifically backed benefits, makes it a must-try for anyone seeking natural solutions to common health concerns. Whether you're battling fatigue, struggling with digestive issues, or longing for radiant skin, okra juice offers a simple yet powerful solution. Its versatility allows you to incorporate it into your diet in various ways, from enjoying it as a refreshing morning drink to adding it to smoothies or soups. Embrace the okra revolution and experience the transformative power of this natural elixir. It's time to ditch the synthetic remedies and embrace the wisdom of nature. Your body will thank you for it. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and discover the incredible benefits of okra juice. Sip your way to a healthier, more vibrant you, one delicious glass at a time.